Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to rotate Tesla Model Y tires. First, understand that regular tire rotation is vital for extending their lifespan and ensuring even wear. Tesla suggests rotating your tires approximately every 6,000 miles or 10,000 kilometers. Before you begin, gather your tools. You'll need a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, a lug nut wrench, and a torque wrench. Remember, specialized jack pads are essential to safely lift your Tesla and protect its battery pack. To start, park your Model Y on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. If your Tesla has aero wheel covers, carefully remove them to expose the lug nuts. Using a 21mm socket, slightly loosen all the lug nuts on every wheel while the car is still on the ground. This makes removal easier later. Next, position your jack with a Tesla-specific jack pad at one of the vehicle's 4 designated lift points to safely raise the car without damaging the battery. The rotation pattern depends on your tire setup. If your Model Y has non-staggered tires, meaning all 4 are the same size, perform a front-to-back rotation on each side. For staggered setups, where rear tires are wider, only rotate them side to side, from left to right. Once the tires are in their new positions, hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, lower the vehicle until the tires just touch the ground. Then use a torque wrench to tighten each lug nut to 129 foot-pounds or 175 Newton-meters. After torquing, fully lower your Model Y to the ground and double-check all lug nuts to ensure they are properly tightened. Reinstall your wheel covers by simply aligning them and pressing firmly until they click into place. For a smarter home, consider upgrading your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Check the description below for a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals. Lastly, navigate to your Tesla's service menu and reset the tire service reminder. Drive gently for the first few minutes as the system recalibrates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.